Meaning of do or die.
Do or die.
Do or die.
Do or die.
Do or die. Do or die is an idiom that refers to a situation where one must succeed or face a grave consequence. It implies a sense of urgency and determination, often in the face of great challenge or adversity. The result of a do or die situation can be either success or failure, with no in between. It requires taking bold risks, putting in maximum effort, and leaving no room for hesitation. Ultimately, the outcome of a do or die scenario can be life-changing, either propelling one towards success or leading to significant setbacks.